Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a SIM card in the Tetis. First, we will unscrew the 4 screws we have here. Once it is open, you will see the SIM socket. To open it, slide it down a little bit and it will open automatically. Then, insert the SIM card with the gold part facing down, ensuring it aligns with the little cut on the right side that matches the space. Cover it with the metal cover by sliding it back. And that's it. Now we will reassemble it. Put back the screws. And you are done.